Hi, this is a demonstration of using the Frogger file to navigate around a spreadsheet with the control keys. The first thing we need to do is move our cursor to the start position by holding down the arrow keys. We'll start the timer by Control Shift S, and then we'll start navigating. Control right, Control down, Control right, Control down, Control right, Control up, and so forth. Jump from log to log and don't fall in the water. See how low you can get your time. Okay, I cheated with a little bit of video editing. My actual time was 27 seconds. See if you can beat that. In the second part of this video, we will cut and paste the logs from the water down to the yellow cells to build a bridge. Again, we'll start by putting our cursor on the start key. I'll start the timer with Control Shift S, and then I'll move down to the A log and hold down Shift. We can hold down Control or not because it's only 2 characters long. Control X to cut. And we're not worried about falling in the water. I'm going to take a shortcut to A column, Control down, and then back to B column to paste using Control V. Go to the end of the log, move up, Control Shift right to cut, Control V to paste. Practice this, see how fast you can do it. Now notice each time I go down, there's a letter down there that I can control down arrow to. If there is no letter, then I'll just keep going down all the way to the end of the spreadsheet. An example of that is going to happen here in column column U, where there's nothing to stop me. So if I control down, there's nothing in cell U43 to stop me, and I go down over 1,000,000 rows. So to come back up, I'll hit Control up, and then to get the screen repositioned like I like, I'll hit Control up a few more times. Control down to get back to K, and I'll use that same trick we used before. I'll go over a couple columns to the left, go down to a cell that has a character in it, and then use my arrow keys to get to the yellow cells to hit paste. And the same thing could happen in column AD and AE if I'm not careful. So I have to do a little bit of navigation there to find cells with characters in them. Control Shift F to stop the stopwatch, and it looks like 2.5 minutes. I'll bet you can beat that.